Alright, I got 2 tickets here. $5,000 jackpot. Let's see what I get. Watch me go down in flames. Lucky number 3. Nope. No, 13. 17. 8. And 14. Went down in flames on that one. Let's try this one. Number 6. Ooh! You guys got something here and hardly ever win. Ooh, wonder what that is. Let's find out. Let's find out this one. I could have won 100. I could have won, of course, 5,000. I could have won, what is that, 20? $20. Alright, I could have won 50. My luck, this is going to be $1. Let's find out. Haha, $2. Broke even. Wow. This is a rarity here. I hardly ever even get my money back, so I broke even in these. Alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the flip side.